Today, visual content rules the internet, and it's no secret. When you scroll through social media, you'll notice that most of what you see is visual. Studies show that 95% of potential customers won't purchase if a website lacks appealing graphics or if the existing ones are unattractive. In fact, it's why the design industry is worth a whopping $45.8 billion, because everyone will pay any amount for graphics that will sell their products and services like crazy. No matter what business you are in, you need irresistible graphics that will stop, hold, and keep customers glued to your site until they buy. So if you're a business, having great visuals is super important. That's why we did something unique that nobody else has ever done before. We combined all the next-generation AI models, DALL-E 3.0, Stable Diffusion, Realistic Vision, Proteus, OpenDAL 3.0, DreamShaper, PixArt, Playground, into an even more powerful AI image studio beast. How? By using the insane power of AI, you can transform ordinary words into breathtaking, mind-blowing images, arts, logos, and engaging visuals in just 3 seconds. And here's where it gets better. Not only does the AI generate images and graphics, it can also edit any images with just words. So you can modify and edit any image like a pro with just words. Unleash the power of first-of-its-kind, word-based image editor. Easily remove or replace the image background or object in any image without sweat. It can also transform ordinary product shots into mind-blowing, high-converting product visuals without expensive equipment or photo skills. Literally, everything is done for us with the built-in AI. Introducing Artisia. Brand new GraphiNova 3.0 technology. App transforms words into breathtaking images, arts, GIFs, product photos, and engaging visuals in 3 seconds with AI without design skills or experience needed. Artisia is 10x faster at creating Pixar. Quality images, logos, artworks, product photos, web graphics, GIFs, social media graphics, 3D animated videos, and more. The good news is, you can finally access something 10 times more powerful than any image or graphics creator out there. With Artisia, you can imagine anything and see it come to life with just a few words. Image creation is as simple as typing a few words. Let your imagination run wild and generate any image you want with a simple text prompt. Artisia can also turn sketches into stunning AI images in real time. And that's just 0.1% of what it can do. We are really scratching the surface. Because Artisia is so powerful, just type in one keyword and let our next-gen AI work its magic to generate an extensive prompt to craft the ultimate visual masterpiece. Yes, just imagine that for a second. Having an image app that generates any type of image you want. 3D image, anime, cinematic, comic, digital art, fantasy, photographic, analog, GIFs, and drawings. That just shows how powerful Artisia is. Aside from using Artisia to create any type of images, here are a few ways you could start making money. You could go on sites like Upwork and charge hundreds of dollars for high-quality images and 3D images, animation videos, and use Artisia to create them. You could also charge people hundreds of dollars to create social media graphics, logos, ebook and PDF covers, YouTube video thumbnails, and infographics without designing anything. Just let Artisia do all the work for you. Another way to make money would be to provide local businesses with stunning website graphics created by Artisia and charge them $500 to $1,000. Or you can create an NFT image and sell it for thousands of dollars on NFT marketplace like OpenSea, Binance, and Coinbase NFT. Really, the possibilities here are endless. When you get your hands on Artisia, you'll join hundreds of our users who are profiting by offering design services to people and businesses. That's because Artisia can handle any tedious, difficult design task you throw at it. Here's how easy it is to get started. Ask Artisia's AI prompter to write the perfect image prompt for you. Click 2. Generate image. The AI will begin producing attractive, stunning designs like images, arts, logos, phone cases, and more. Click 3. Download. Don't wait. Your AI stunning. Images ready for download at lightning speed and ready for publish. That's it. In less than 3 seconds, Artisia can effortlessly create any type of images or design graphics for you and your clients without any additional cost. Think there's more to it? There isn't. Yes, it really is as simple as that. If you can do something as simple as turning on a light switch or popping a meal in the microwave, you can use Artisia. That's because the AI behind the curtains uses GraphiNova 3.0 AI technology. And here's where this is really light years ahead of other image generation apps. It comes with first-of-its-kind features, like AI image generation. Say goodbye to the days of struggling with complex graphics apps. With Artisia, you can effortlessly transform words into stunning, mind-blowing images in seconds. Words to prompt generator. Forget complex prompts. Transforms words or phrases into creative prompts, enabling you to generate stunning images effortlessly. Futuristic logo creator. Want to create stunning, futuristic logos? From any text to build massive brand, Artisia got your back. Just put this masterpiece into action, and it'll create stunning professional logos in just 3 clicks. AI word-based image editor. Modify and edit any image like a pro with just words. Unleash the power of word-based photo editing with Artisia. No more clicking and sliders. Edit photos with simple instructions in Artisia. AI in-painting technology. Image cleanup. Easily remove or replace objects from your image. With Artisia AI, this enables you to do in-painting and remove flaws from photographs, such as strangers in the background or blemishes on portraits. AI text to image. Generate high-quality images from text descriptions. Create variations of the image. Change, remove objects, or fix details on the image. Just enter a prompt or tune a few settings and relax. Artificial intelligence do the rest for you. AI-powered product photography. Turn product photos into breathtaking visuals with our AI-powered product photo studio. Say goodbye to expensive studios and unreliable product photographers. AI background removal. With Artisia, AI background removal quickly remove the background of any image with incredible accuracy without having to do a bunch of extra work. AI replace background. Instantly replace backgrounds from images at the click of a button. Say goodbye to the hassle of Photoshop and other tools. AI sketch to image. Convert your sketches into stunning AI images or artworks in real time. AI image reimagine. Effortlessly create variations of your image, similar but different, within a single click. AI image uncrop. Uncrop your pictures to any format. Extend bodies, objects, or sceneries to enlarge your perspective and get your picture with just the right amount of context. AI magical text removal from image. Effortlessly remove text from images. Say goodbye to the tedious task of manually editing images and enjoy the ease of seamless and accurate text removal with just a few clicks. 3,000 plus ready-made designs library. Choose from over 3,000 plus stunning templates library in any niche that are already designed and ready to use. Intuitive drag and drop GIFs and video creator. No more complex video creation software. Create and edit videos and animatio in minutes, and many more. And another problem with other video apps is that they are known for charging exorbitant fees. I mean, if you've ever used apps like Adobe Photoshop, Midjourney, Stability, and Canva before, you've definitely seen how much they cost monthly, right? But Artisia is better than them, and it costs just a one-time investment, which will quickly pay for itself, considering the various design services you can provide to people, like marketing graphics, animation images and videos, artwork creation. The sky's the limit here. Now, don't wait any longer to get your hands on Artisia, because although we aren't charging a monthly fee yet, that will change. In order to support our server costs, we will be forced to take this action, so no, this isn't any fake scarcity thrown at you to get you to buy quicker. Time is running out. And if you come back later to buy, there's a good chance you'll be paying a monthly fee. Why do that when you could have taken action earlier and gotten access for a one-time price? Remember, there isn't anything else out there that exists. No other app has fused the power of the next-generation AI models into something even more powerful than any image app out there. Artisia is the only tool that can pull this off, and it will save you thousands of dollars, countless headaches, and infinite hours of work by doing all your tasks for you. Whether you're a content marketer, video marketer, copywriter, offline marketer, local business owner, YouTuber, or vlogger, or really anyone who has a business online, Artisia will make your life a whole lot easier. And if all these features weren't enough to get you off the fence, I'm going to make this a complete no-brainer for you. I'm going to give you a full 180 days to test out Artisia, risk-free. If you don't like Artisia for even the silliest reason, come to us and we'll refund 100% of your money with zero hassles. That means there is absolutely zero way for you to lose here. All of the risk is on our shoulders, so what are you waiting for? It's impossible for you to fail here. But do know, time is running out, and it's only a matter of time till the monthly pricing kicks in. Click the button below right now to get Artisia while it's still available for a low one-time price. I can't wait to see you inside.